Another day, another call, another chance to build it all. Sun, another job had just begun. A broken fence, a leaking roof, a promise made, a promise proved. Every nail, every line, every detail, every time. Not because we have to do, because quality is what we choose. One more smile, one more home, one more family feels complete. Hey! Another happy customer, another job well done, another home that's shining bright beneath the morning sun, another dream brought back to life, another problem solved. That's the way we always work. Fixes all. Fixes all. Fresh white walls, a perfect floor, a smiling face behind the door. Children laughing, garden clean, everything just as they dreamed. One more handshake, one more thanks, that's worth more than words can say. Because tomorrow starts again, helping someone every day. It's not just wood, it's not just paint, it's not just work that we create. It's trust, it's care, it's every smile that stays long after we drive another happy customer, another job well done, another family smiling now beneath the setting sun, another dream made real today, another promise kept. That's the reason why we are Fixes all. Fixes all. See you on the next job. Fixes all.